In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out Bitcoin on Robinhood. So first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app, and then you have to click on this crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you have in your account under this holding section. Now you just have to select the Bitcoin from here. After that, you will be able to see the price of Bitcoin. You can also scroll down to see your position in your Bitcoin. Now to cash out this Bitcoin, you need to click on this sell button. Then you just have to enter the amount and then click on this review button. Then you just have to swipe up to submit this order. And once your order has been filled, you can simply click on this done button. And then you just have to click on this profile icon from the bottom of your screen. Then click on this three-line menu at the top of your screen. From this menu screen, tap on this transfer option. Then on the screen, you have to click on this transfer money. And then you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to transfer to your bank account. Then you just have to select your account, Robinhood account, which has your money. And then in this two section, you have to select your bank account where you want to transfer this money, and then click on review. You can also select your transfer speed if you want, and then simply click on transfer. And once you do that, your Bitcoin will be cash out. So I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.